welcome back to Five Nights at Bradley's 2. So I just made a playthrough of this. So now I managed to beat all 6 nights. Yeah, I beat night 1 to 6 now. Impressive, huh? So right now, guys, well, I beat all 6. I finished. I think it was. I think the last video was on night 3. Then I off camera beat night 3, then to night 4, night 5, and night 6. So now I'm going to do the custom night. So let's get to the shot. Alright, now I'll just do max. I was going to turn the max one by one, but it'll take some time. So I want to get to this. Let's get to this, shall we? Oh, I forgot. Alright, that looks better now. Oh yeah, I forgot. So sorry for the lack of videos. I had schoolwork, at other stuff, and my mommy wants me to do wants me to do videos only at weekend, not at weekdays. All right. Oh. When Empty Endo's at the window, I notice he disappeared. I wonder why. It's because of Ossidius Bradley. So it's 5 a.m. He becomes active either 5 or 4 a.m. So Ossidius Bradley, he's like Nightmare from FNAF 4. Amazing, huh? I managed to beat that. I managed to beat the all max mode. I'm the first one to beat the all max mode in this new update. What's that? Oh, the teaser for Pfizer Bradley's 4. Oh dear. Looks like it'd be the all max mode. Can't go to extras. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for today. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the bell. And I'll try to make videos more often, but I can't. Mommy only lets me make videos at weekend, so I'll be available making videos at the weekend. Okay. I hope you have a good night and see ya. Peace out.